Hello guys, welcome to my channel iShare Design. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to replace a logo into the logo mockup by using Adobe Photoshop in 2020. First, let's open the logo mockup file. Okay, this is the logo sample that I'm going to replace my logo into this logo mockup. And if you want this template, you can go to the link in the description below. Okay, now let's go to the layer. So we have the background, we have the effects of the logo, and it's also the place that you are going to replace it. Okay, let's double click on it, and then you will see just like this. After that, you just drag the logo into the logo sample and replace it into the middle. Enter. So you can hide the sample logo and just show your own logo. Go to edit, saved, and close it. You will see your own logo into the logo markup that you have just replaced it. Okay, after you watch it, I hope you can try by your own with your own logo. And thank you so much for watching my video. Please do not forget to hit like and comment below. And if you want to get more videos, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel.